How to fix delete apps option not showing on iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold on any app and then click on remove. Now here you can see delete app option not available. And if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on screen time, and then scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Now click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now here you can see the option deleting apps. Now click on it. Now here you can allow to delete your apps. After allow, then go back to your home screen and refresh your device, and then press and hold on any app and then click on remove app. Now here you can see the delete option. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.